In this video, I am going to discuss about 3 leafy vegetables that can easily be grown without much effort in 100% organic way. First, let's talk about the planters. I am using these plastic crates used to carry fruits and vegetables. One piece of plastic is folded and kept in each crate. I made a lot of holes on the plastic so that extra water can be released and air can pass through the soil. Now let's go for the soil preparation. For all of them, I will be using the same soil mixture. It contains 80% garden soil and 20% vermicompost. As we all know, leafy vegetables need a lot of nitrogen to grow well. That's why I am adding hornmeal. It is a great source of organic nitrogen. After mixing all the components well, I will gently press the topsoil to make the seedbed flat. A little water will be sprinkled just to make the soil wet. The first seeds that I am going to sow is of red amaranth. The seeds need to be uniformly distributed over the seedbed. Then they will be covered with a thin layer of soil. I am doing this so that the seeds may not float during watering. Now I will add water fully. The next vegetable that I am going to talk about is green amaranth. The seedbed is already prepared with the same soil mixture. The red and green amaranth seeds need not be soaked in water before sowing. They can directly be sown to the wet soil. In the same way, the seedbed will be covered with soil and water will be added properly. The third leafy vegetable is water spinach. Though the name is water spinach, it can be cultivated as normal spinach. Water spinach seeds should be soaked overnight in water before sowing. It helps them to germinate faster. Soil preparation and other procedure will remain the same. The planters are needed to be kept in full sunlight after sowing the seeds. Within a couple of days, the seeds will start germinating. In these days, proper watering plays a significant role. We have to keep the soil moist by adding water frequently. If the soil becomes totally dry, the seeds may not germinate or the seedlings may die. But make sure not to overwater them, otherwise they will rot. One simple rule we can follow is that before watering we should check the topsoil and add water only when the topsoil is about to be dry. This same rule of watering can be followed after germination till harvesting. This is after 8 days of sowing the seeds. The seedlings start to grow very fast after germination. The quality of the seeds are very good and we got a satisfactory amount of germination. One thing we have to keep in mind: now the seedlings are very small and their stems are very weak. While watering, we have to take special care, otherwise the stems may get broken by the force of water. This is after 15 days of sowing the seeds. From now on, we will start using liquid organic fertilizer, rotten mustard cake solution. We have to use this fertilizer once in 15 days. This is the only food that I am going to give these plants. This is after 20 days. The plants are growing nicely, but they got one problem. These plants are attacked by leaf-eater insects. This can be easily treated using organic pesticide neem oil. We used it only for once. This is after 26 days. The caterpillar made holes on the leaves, but overall the plants are grown very nicely. Today we will collect some of the branches. I am leaving some portion of the water spinach plant. New branches will be formed soon. We got a lot of water spinach branches. Now going for the amaranths. In case of amaranths, I will uproot some of the plants to make some room in these pots. This is the final collection from this very small place. This is after 40 days of sowing the seeds. Within just 15 days, the water spinach plants have produced a lot of new branches. The red and green amaranths also have grown nicely. This time, they look really healthy. They are grown in 100% organic way and does not contain any harmful chemicals. That is the main goal of this video. I am trying to show that vegetables can be grown very easily, and for that we don't need a large place. Just a small container is enough. One thing that I have not mentioned is the timing of sowing the seeds. I have sown the seeds in the month of March in India, but these vegetables can be grown anytime throughout the whole year. This is our second time collection. By continuing this way, we can get multiple harvests. Now, let's summarize the whole procedure in just a couple of sentences. First, soil preparation. For that, we can use 80% garden soil and 20% compost. We need to add some hornmeal to supply extra nitrogen. After sowing the seeds, we have to keep the seedbed moist by adding water frequently. From day 1, keep the pots in full sunlight. In every 15 days, use rotten mustard cake solution as liquid fertilizer. If you find any insect attack, spray organic pesticide neem oil. And finally, harvest according to your need. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.